Hey guys, Kurt from Vhedia here. Just a quick video showing you how to connect your Q-series head unit to your phone's mobile hotspot. First, you need to make sure that your phone's Wi-Fi is off since we will use your cellular data to connect your head unit to your phone, and that's the internet connection we'll be using. Once that's done, go to settings, go to cellular, turn it on, then go to personal hotspot, make sure that it is on, and take note of the Wi-Fi password that it shows under allow others to join. You can change this one by tapping it and then type in your preferred password. And this is the password that we will be using to connect to your phone hotspot. After that, you can go to your head unit, then go to setup, select Android, go to network and internet, make sure to turn it on, and then wait for the head unit to recognize your iPhone name. So in my case, this is me. And then type in the password you have earlier. Then tap the check to connect. Now once connected, you're all good. You should be able to access the internet. For example, this one. I'll try to refresh it to be sure. And there you go. Cheers.